I was somewhere recently with some of my bishops, and I had a very good VIP treatment from the president, head of national security. Everybody was coming to see me in my hotel, and governors, everybody. And then one of my bishops said, Papa, the kind of influence you have here is not a joke. We have to start Action branch here. We must have a branch here. You have too much power and influence here. And I said, you are a problem for me. And he said, I'm just trying to help. And I said, no, you are not helping me. You are setting me up. And I said, number one, do you know how many sons I have in this nation that have mega churches who tied to me and bless me and call me father? The day I start a branch of Action in this city, I'm breaking ranks. I'm creating a situation where they'll look at me and say, what is wrong with him? Why is he doing this? I don't need that president or all the people who respect me in that country to come to Action in order for me to be their papa. They can go to any church they want to. Hear me. I tell my council, I have executive council, I've handed over the governance of the church to them. And I've told them there are some places, don't go and start Action branch. One of those places is Bolgatanga. I said, don't go to Bolga. Don't go and start a church there. Sit down for 2 minutes. And you know why I said that? I said, what gospel are you going to Bolga to preach that Isudanaba is not preaching? And I said, why should you go to Bolga and start a branch there so you can prove that you have many branches and break your relationship with Isudanaba? I said, I don't get it. You don't have to have a branch in Bolga. Let Isud be there. When George Lane was alive in Takoradi, I had opportunity to start a branch there. I never did. And I was, I'm not going to Takoradi to start a branch there. For what? What am I going to do? Why do we break relationship with the brethren in order to prove a point? To have numbers? What are you trying to prove? Relationship with the brethren. 1 John 5:7. If we walk in the light as he is in the light, we have fellowship one with another. And hear me, sit down for 2 minutes. If you don't have fellowship with the brethren, for whatever reason, it doesn't matter what the reason is, you are walking in darkness. I don't care how gifted you are or how anointed you are. None of us are above scripture.
What's in common? What did you common? What's the echo? Papa had and answer has every right. Thank go back Bogatanga. What I say, no, 10 hours or Bogatanga. But this man valued relationship. Is to another Archbishop Duncan Williams and Neba. What I say? And everybody in this world knows her. When you talk about Christianity in the north, Obiani wa establishing in the northern parts of Ghana than Eastwood Anaba. And the man is working like a donkey. For his father, the Archbishop said, oh, in the name of having more branches in T, they could take back Bogatanga. It will mean betrayal. It will mean unvalue one in a relationship. It will mean say I'm bringing competition to you over there. If the Eastwood or the Eastwood we all know, meaning on for the problem. But you wouldn't do that. Now this same decision, no, another action taken by Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams had also been taken by Prophet Isaac Owusu-Mempah. I had the privilege to talk to him one-on-one, and I'm going to say, Papa, and this is the reason why Glorious Word Power Ministry International of Reverend Dr. Isaac Ozubempa Ebini Kumasi. I say, menti asoro Kumasi because me papa Bishop Kwampuku, me papa Victor Osei. Omunti, I cannot establish a church in Kumasi. I have fathers there. I go to their church and minister in their churches. It will be very improper. That means sorry, maybe better say. Also for Isaac, Ozubempa, my baba tia sorry. Awo, Kumasi. It will be very unfair and improper. Oh, these are great men of God that most of us look up to. And yes, you share the positives in your power as of all. Now, not for power. What you saw, Kurufum. Also, I call Kurufum and Chamber, and also what you saw. A day now open. A day now open. A day now won't you? What do I say? Oh, you value relationship. Tell you, me know also for yesterday. Now, what's our boss saying? Now, Miss Mother Pet, a branch, and your main church in Boo. Miss Mother Pet branch. What am I bringing to you? Am I bringing unity? Am I bringing love, or am I bringing competition? And so, before you establish a church, before you found any church, put into consideration the aspect of human relationship. As well as here, so we establish many branches and but a time beyond human relationship, your relationship with others encounter. What is already Reverend Dr. Isaac Ozubempa ne papa nom e Kumasi a omo asore kase a ha obey programs ma wo into on tell mate asore Kumasi na nsore ma bia metwe ama ne ho into on mate asore Kumasi kra the your papa Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams asama woka o se ne ma e wo northern region na ne bakase pa wo ti mo agotre aye Eastwood Anaba e dia preaching pa no no kwa establish branch or wa oko preacher Eastwood Anaba preach here. And some by part of Kacha Bogatanga Poa. It would encounter a woman. I am a basari into a 10 branch of a pepe. And then there was a back course of competition in Bio. Tell me about when you know what I saw for you or dog my home. What I say? Competition, a who here, a child, a who here. Fighting against Oyonko support and Hunya. So Oyonko support cry and a baby ya. Your quiet first one ever friend and Naka. Not on Naka area as a 4 more or more year. Christosumunia. Almost 4 to cry find no Christosom water down. Now, almost now no more out to Santene, Edding Como, Eddie Christosom hotel. Now, no, a branch here, Makisa the key, I got no voice in while at TV. So Panyame Croppo. And so I said, oil differ. Also, a Yamis of 4. On a baby banner so enter. If a Bobby videos be actual. What I say. But, Mamma, I heard the Papa Duncan Williams, and the Papa Isaac Ozubempa, prophet, not yen share be in Frimo. Now, me who mean ya suffer what some man could say. And now, almost pay a software in Gracia Park, as the first Nanka, if we are for a comfort, a bosom for, and net their view, the upper or software they are here, a years of war. The upper or software and Gracia, a years of war. Prophet Ed Bernard and Commissioner Mammy in my software, dear Christie. And maybe a prophet Kusib Blacking, then comes a unquestioned or canon. In the Masofu about out of the car, deep one pass your 4. And then also for I say a young course of 1 day. Also for any was here a young course of war and a year. And then also what to me call Malam Hawk, dear, do not have a young quarter for the Empamo members or no support as for them name on our own house of yourself. We are evil. We are evil. So far, the young person for Bessie Hawk. No one good anymore. So what kind someone anybody have to know? We are evil. We are born some nipa. You can hold and we are supported to ye. You can hold and we are supported S3. You can hold and we are supported a dear hotel. I didn't hear. The lapses. The encoye our young sorry mo. The encoye our asofo yen temo. Asofo ben from so near peke. Yeah, they come we are support. So almost say piece of some almost casentia piece of some. Only a hotel. If I tell we are not open Christosmiana. Now open Christosmiana, now open Christosum cost one. As of for Kum Jaffo Edija. As of for a Kum Jaffo Edija. Or said the young for a many pound corner for it, Tabaya will be members. Abedin ho. Na ne oil all torn ya beto bia man. Na ne handkerchief all torn ya beto bia man. In this who say Odaba as a gate. Say the penguin omo form break through. Was all a fake, fake. Oh, me to chenkino, when I'm media. Me to towels on the men I'm media. Into who's I don't tell you. Papa, I'm much obolo. Into the Bible course obolo. I am a man says obolo. Then Casamena may. Who made you a judge? Arabo. Yamu obisa omeya obisu judge wangana hana. Ana nyankopon abetin se wi mabon duturo bento. Ase amese asomasi. Wo na free na kuri. Judge asofo. Ahomete. Arabo. The kind maybe as you have one a call. Yes, when check what you say. Yes, Christo. Ye PA, I do ask some more carbon and Santé who sent proposals to baby boarding. Eddie, a Numa, at the end, Santan, a pretty wood. Yes, Munyawam. Munyawam, Mamon Kawam. Once a day I will ask they are not against us. Once they are mentioning my name, every crumb is correct, but they are not against me. Jaob. Every baby, yes, you baby. I say, Obi, as a canibi, I am a fool. And that's one of I know. Obi, a hit, and by papa and a woman. Na adia san ya okoda ye no bone fo no bewure mu obi enu ababone taf e de frem e di adia tie na wakase no kokunu ye no mo ba o mo janche no mo baba tie ni akwa kokunu enu abapa ana odua ye hit ina odua ye na yakoda ye no bone fo no ba be die enu ababone ya Papa yanko cham ni ababone no mfiri mu ana. Adafo oti asem a Yesu kan ye se osikani no e ka che ne nko a. Wo se da bi o. Mo ma ni nyina mo nyini. Na ebia na mo ya ma de se mo kotutu enu ababone no afiri papa no mu no. Na se kan no wo tototo na apa ko twa papa no. Inti mu de mo mani nyina mo nyine na mmara no so na me ba be cha me hwe abana so ye no na me cha papa no na bone no me twetwe nyina de gya toma hyewo enti Yesu ka kira wo say wo ni right to be wura so dem ho say wo ko jaji wo so ko bi wo ni that right no the Yesu kura wo tumi nyina ko betimi aye no say ye ma ne mom nyina wo ni hwan to be kokoti ya be nyina wa so dem abedi asofo atem asofo ne nya papa edifo ya atrofo we onyame mfre no we na nyame afre no wo yes sir we Satan we devil we evil